Why do we write down ideas? Quite simple. Ideas must be visualized in order to be able to develop them further and make them a reality. Every creative impulse leads to an idea, from the first stroke to the first word to complex topics. For this reason, ideas need space to unfold. Brillux 2K Aqua Whiteboard 2384 is the ideal coating for producing whiteboard surfaces in training and meeting rooms. The whiteboards can be written on with special whiteboard markers and are easy to clean again. In addition, the functional coating is low odor and high gloss. Put your thoughts on the wall. The whiteboard is a practical medium for vivid presentation, sketching, and documentation. 2K Aqua Whiteboard 2384. Room for ideas.